ولقد آتينا داود منا فضلا يا جبال أوبي معه والطير وألنا له الحديد.
min assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. min salmina daraɓe Fulɓe TV hannde kadi miɗen garani on ɗo Brufut gandi hitande o hitande dayre en ko ballal ngal wallata jama Gambian naɓe ɗum noon wona ko humpi kala wona kesum e nder Fulɓe TV. hannde kadi min garani on ɗo ala ko battere jiiɗen ɗo e musidɗo meɗen lamdere ɗum ko hono programme oniri hannde. mawɗo a salminama.
a salminama, miɗen salmina Fulɓe TV. mbiɗo mon wiya assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
inde nde hono mbiɗeɗa?
mbiɗo wiye Aboubacar Ba.
ba ko ɗo gollata?
eyyi ɗo gollatmi superviso ɗe golle ɗe inchallah.
inchallah hitan fof hitan min jiiya ɗo min gaɗa ɗo min tawa e gokkirigal walla ballal ngal dayre e watta hikka kala ko hono dokkirigal ngal woniri hannde hikka?
alhamdulillah hikkane kadi min keeɓi 500 saku maaro, 500 bidon diwlin, 500 10 kilo suga. ɗum kadi min duwa jonnirde miskinoɓe eɓe gandantomaɓe hoore mabɓe ala doole, min wallitoɓe e lewru korka he.
ɗum ko ɓuuri fuɗɗo walla ko Gambia foof?
Gambia foof minen ko kampuji nayyi min jogui. Kampu o kampu wallira sengo wodo. minen Ɓuurfuɗɗo minen jogui Ɓuurfute o area ha Tanje, Bañaka en Abbi Madiana en ɗe ceeje area foof. caggal ɗum kadi mbiɗon wadde développe ñoomine kadi hono o sifa yeehi toon.
nden hono mboɗa haalande musidɓe men ƴewɓe Fulɓe TV e sengo banggal dayra en ko woni waɗande nder Gambia ɗo ballal ngal ɓaɗa wi dayra en wona sengo woto balle kewɗe ɗi balla e nder Gambia.
eyyi dow ɗum ɗon composi goɗɗi ɗe wadde ɗum hono Banjulindin kamɓene Disem yo Toubacouta yo Farafeñi komin watta ko. komi wiyata Fulɓe TV kamɓene ballal ngal duwa wadde ɗum ɗo koɓe dayra en duwa wadde ni wonɓe ka Fulɓe TV ɗe heewi te ko musidɓe men ɓe gandantoɓa hoorema alhamdulillah ɓe yiiɗi waɗirde saabi Allah. ko joni jamanu o ɗo wawi wadde waɗirde saabi Allah kono ko homo jonnata ko ɗum woni haaju o saabu tappaleji ɗe heewi. ɗum ɗo noon minen oɗo compagnie jooma compagnie ko neɗɗo goto o sankima, kono joni ko ɓiɓɓe makko e wajiraɓe makko kamɓe jogui compagnie o joni. eyyi joni a tawata ɓe waɗoɓe o ndimmal ɗo ko mboolo goto foof itta e hunde waɗa, ɓe rentinira ɓe neldira ga ɗum soode yimɓe hewɓe naftora. Fulɓe wonɓe ka Fulɓe TV kadi ɓe wawi rentinirɓe waɗa ko wayini waɗana ɗum leydi ndi. goto foof si wiyama lewru hitande foof hitande ya waɗi wulure walla guluji ɗiɗi ko woni e Pullo Tuubi ne heewi, ɓe sooda ko wayini ɓe laara goto ɓe nawa toon ɓe jonnira saabi Allah ɓe heeɓa baraji lewru korka ɗum kadi nden solo.
jarama
inchallah.
Yes, been is this year again Ramadan Mubarak. You are always with the Gambian people. What do you have today?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of behalf of the name of my staff members in Brufut Center, I would like to thank you, JRTS. Then I would like to wish happy Ramadan for all Gambians. This year, inshallah, we are trying to share with them their package, which is provided from our donors in the Kuwait Direct Aid Organization, inshallah, رب العالمين. نيابة عن أصالة عن نفسي ونيابة عن موظفي العون المباشر بمكتب غامبيا، يعني هذه السنة نشارك إخواننا في دولة غامبيا إفطار، وأسأل الله عز وجل الإفطار رمضان، وسيكون هذه السنة شوية فيه نوع من الزيادة إن شاء الله. سيكون حوالي 700 سلة غذائية لكل مركز، وعدد المراكز سيكون 4 مراكز إن شاء الله عز وجل. فهذا اليوم الأول من التوزيع، يوم مبارك، ونتمنى أن يكون يعني رمضان مبارك على كل شعب غامبيا بالرفاه والبنين والأمن والإيمان والسلامة والإسلام إن شاء الله رب العالمين. بارك الله فيكم.
Yes, Director, you are welcome again, or you welcome us again in Ramadan and the Gambian people for the usual benevolence. What do you have this year?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Like every year, Alhamdulillah, this is one of the biggest and the most important projects of direct aid in the Gambia. So many people will benefit, inshallah. This year we are going to distribute much more quality food, including rice, good quality sugar, good quality mayonnaise, and also good quality product oil. So this year, inshallah, we are covering very important areas, very large areas. We are trying to be more near the needy people, anywhere they are, and we are trying to do our best so that these people who are in need can spend a good Ramadan and they can have a good meal at the end of the day, inshallah. So thank you very much for assisting us to make this possible. Oh, it's about more than 7,000, almost 7,000. Okay. This year we are covering areas up to Farafeni, alhamdulillah, and the packages are almost around 7,000 packages. As I said before, including 25 kilograms of rice, 10 kilograms of sugar, 1 bottle of mayonnaise, good quality mayonnaise, not to do publicity, and also a good quality cooking vegetable oil.
Yes, Director, I know you always aim to give more to Gambians, but because of the cost of goods increasing, and is always a problem.
To be frank, we had very serious challenges this year. Not only because of the increase of the prices, but also of the availability of goods. We have ordered bags of 25 bags of rice. We ultimately had only bags of 50. So we were obliged to divide and to split the two into 2 bags. It has happened also for the sugar, but for oil and for mayonnaise, it was not a problem. We were expecting to give tea, but the quantity of tea was available was not in the market, was not enough. So we had to split, to change from tea to mayonnaise. But it is good for the beneficiaries anyway. We are trying our best. We are trying our best. As long as the goods are available in the market, then we can go ahead for it. If it's not available, then we have to look for alternatives.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
ولقد آتينا داود منا فضلا يا جبال أوبي معه والطير وألنا له الحديد أن اعمل سابغات وقدر في السرد واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون بصير